In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze broker price on TradingView. Before we dive into the technical aspects, let's start by understanding the importance of this analysis. In the fast-paced world of trading, having a clear picture of market supply and demand can significantly enhance your trading strategy. TradingView, a popular platform for many traders, offers a robust toolset for performing such analysis. Our goal today is to leverage these tools effectively, beginning with connecting to your broker. First things first, to analyze a broker's price on TradingView, you need to connect your broker account. This is crucial as it allows you to access live data directly from your broker. So head over to the Trade tab at the bottom of your TradingView chart. It's pretty straightforward. Just select your broker from the list. Ensure that your broker is supported, as this determines whether you'll have access to all the features we'll discuss. Once you find your broker, go ahead and log in. This step is essential to synchronize your TradingView account with your brokerage account, enabling seamless data flow for analysis. Now that your broker is connected, let's move on to analyzing prices using the depth of market, or DOM, tool. This is where the magic happens. In the Trade tab, the DOM will be right at your fingertips. But what exactly is DOM? It's a diagram that showcases the order book data, presenting the current supply, known as the ask, and demand, referred to as the bid, for an asset at various price levels. This data is incredibly valuable when it comes to gauging market sentiment. By observing how traders are positioning themselves, you'll get insights into where the market might be headed next. Whether participants are leaning towards bullish or bearish trends can be clues about future price movements. Before you engage in live trading, it's highly advisable to practice using the paper trading simulator on TradingView. This is a crucial step, especially if you're new to utilizing the depth of market tool. Why practice, you ask? Because it allows you to refine your skills and strategies in a risk-free environment. With simulated trading, you can experiment with different scenarios, observe how the DOM tool behaves under various market conditions, and build your confidence before you put real money on the line. This practice can help bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application. In summary, analyzing broker prices on TradingView using the depth of market tool can be a game changer for your trading journey. By connecting your broker, exploring the DOM data, and practicing in a simulated environment, you'll be better equipped to make informed trading decisions. Remember, successful trading is not just about instincts, but also about skillful analysis and practice.